What's up, creators? Cool here from authorityvideos.com. This channel, a YouTube sensation with over 100K subscribers, they're not just creating visually stunning content, they're turning it into serious cash flow, earning thousands of dollars every month from ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. Now imagine creating videos just like this and building a faceless YouTube channel that grabs attention and generates real income. The best part? You don't need fancy equipment or advanced skills. This is totally beginner friendly. Today, I'll show you step by step how to quickly create viral videos using tools like ChatGPT for ideas, Leonardo AI for visuals, Kling AI for animations, and Veed for editing. Stick around because I'll also show you how to take your videos to the next level with professional voiceovers and captions that make them pop and go viral. Quick question before we dive in. Is this your first time watching one of my tutorials? Let me know in the comments. First, let's start by generating creative ideas for your video. Open ChatGPT and paste this prompt. Generate 3 unique prompts for America's Got Talent and featuring animals with famous celebs on stage. Want my exact prompts? You can find them in the description. Stick around till the end because I'll show you the final video we create using all these steps. It's going to blow your mind. Next, bring your ideas to life using Leonardo AI. Select the Phoenix model for detailed visuals, set the style to dynamic, and adjust the contrast for a bold look. Generate several variations tailored for TikTok and Reels, then save your favorites for the animation step. We're halfway through the process of creating a viral video, and as you can see, it takes several steps using ChatGPT for ideas, Leonardo AI for visuals, Kling AI for animation, and V.io for editing. It's an effective method, but what if there was a way to simplify all these steps into one streamlined process? That's where platforms like authorityvideos.com come in. You can generate a fully viral ready video in just a few clicks. Here's how. Sign up for a free account, select a category like baby catwalk or animal adventures, and hit generate video. In minutes, you'll have a complete video ready to upload. It's perfect if you want to save time and focus on growing your faceless YouTube channel. Back to our lesson. Static images are cool, but animations make them scroll stopping. Use Kling AI to add motion. Just upload your image, use the descriptive prompt, and watch your creation come to life. What do you think of the visuals we just created? Let me know in the comments. Did you see something you'd love to try for your own videos? To add depth and emotion, create professional voiceovers with Elevenlabs. Paste your script, choose a voice tone that fits your theme, and fine-tune the pacing. Download the MP3 to use in your final video. Finally, combine all your elements in Veed.io, import your visuals, narration, and music, and optimize the aspect ratio for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Add smooth transitions like white flashes or glow effects, and overlay text to guide your audience. Your masterpiece is now ready to captivate. Boom, you're done. In just a moment, I'll show you the final video we created, but before we jump into that, take a look at this. Our channel is packed with lessons on the latest viral niches and step-by-step guides on how to create them. Whether you're into viral topics like tiny warriors or animal adventures, or looking to build a profitable faceless YouTube channel, we've got all the tools and strategies you need, and we're just getting started. And hey, if you've got suggestions for a viral trend, tool, or strategy you want me to dive into next, drop them in the comments. I'd love to feature your ideas in an upcoming video. All right, let's check out the final video and see all the steps in action. Keep creating, keep earning, and remember, as always, it's cool to stand out.
Keanu Reeves, in a classic dark suit and boots, stands beside a striking black stallion. Emma Watson, in an elegant navy blue dress, gracefully holds her arm aloft as a wise-looking barn owl perches there. Chris Hemsworth, wearing a sleek black suit, holding a playful golden retriever.